it 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah.
Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. It's like mad bright and I have no idea what my face looks like. But what's up, guys? It's me. I know I haven't been on here in a while. Just a lot of stuff's been going on / not been going on. I've been mad lazy doing this stuff. But basically, you know, I'll probably fill you guys in later in this video or maybe another video that's like fully dedicated to the stuff that's been going on. But it's like super rainy today and gloomy and stuff, so I thought I'd pull out my camera like I'm not doing anything else. I hate when I feel like bored or drained when it's raining outside, because I feel like it's like a lead into some sort of depression or something like that. And like, I'm not even gonna go into that right now, but yeah. So I just like to pull up at the park sometimes, have a little me time, just think about stuff, whatever. Just got back from the grocery store, went shopping, didn't get everything I needed because, quite frankly, I did not feel like being in the store. And I'm wearing my tennis shoes today, so I was already a little bit upset because the rain is so bad that little puddles are forming like in the smallest of places, and now my shoes are wet. So there's that. What else? I have no idea. This angle is probably terrible because the way I'm holding my arm, but oh well, you guys will probably see me in the next clip. And yes.
So like I said, you guys, I'm not feeling too well, but I wanted to come on here and show you some products that I've been using. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Nutmeg, which I will be showing you in just a second. It's not too matte and it's not too dewy, and for the looks that I've been going for recently, this has been perfect and it goes so good with my skin. I've never found a product like this, and it was only $6. So yeah, I mean, you can't beat it really. I've tried all different kinds of foundations from all different kinds of price ranges, and this one, it's unbeatable right now. And then I have the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this from influencers and things like that. This is deep olive, and the foundation was more of a pinky tone, so the deep olive kind of offsets the color and gives me that flawless finish that I really love.
Life. Sky. They told me don't jump with no plane. All I'm saying, you better be sure.
Guys, I know I'm wearing sunglasses right now, but I'm still sick and I am extremely light sensitive, so y'all just gonna have to bear with me in these sunglasses. But anyways, so I baked some cookies, and you're probably like, okay, big whoop, whatever. But usually I don't bake well. Like, I cook great, okay? Don't come on here thinking I don't know how to cook. I just can't bake, okay? And part of it is because I don't have measuring utensils. So everything is like by eye, and I guess my eye is not good enough to be trying to bake like that. So, yes, I made cookies and they look cute and I'm proud. So yes, guys, you know, I just had to show you my skills a little bit. Look. Say hi. He's so cute. So, hey guys, I know it's like probably super dark and the quality's not awesome, but this is the part of the video that I don't really want to show, but I feel like I need to show. So right now, me and my baby are at the hospital. I am still sick, but you know, as a mom, even if you're sick, if your baby gets sick, you're not sick anymore, you know? So, we're at the hospital. He's just being, you know, really irritable and, you know, couldn't sleep good, all that stuff. And I've been calling up to the doctor, like, almost every day, like, I don't know what's wrong. We've been giving him Tylenol, things like that. And, I don't know if I mentioned, in another video, or maybe not, my son has, sickle cell, type SS, which is, like, one of the most common, variations of it. There's a bunch of different ones, and different, things that go along with them, but, yeah, sickle cell. So, you know, the lightest thing on a regular person could probably be the hugest thing for him. So, it's almost like you're in a constant panic mode or something. We were here a few weeks ago for him, and it was a little bit more, pressing than it is now. The last time he had to get a blood transfusion, because his hemoglobin, which is, I believe, the, I'm not even going to put the specifics on there if I figure out what it specifically means. I mean, I know what it means, I just can't think of it at the time, but his hemoglobin went from 7 to a 4, and usually anything below a 7, they like to give people blood transfusions. Earlier this year, I had to have one after I had him. That's a whole other story time. Like, that was crazy time in my life. But yeah, so, and he's only 8 months old right now. He'll be 9 months on Monday. But, you know, all of my eyebrow was itching. But yeah, it's like a crazy time or whatever. That was my first time ever having to go to, like, the hospital for him and stuff, and it was just super difficult to deal with. Like, you hear the words blood transfusion, and you just think something's automatically wrong with someone, or they, you know. But with sickle cell patients, having to get blood transfusions are actually very, very common, and it helps them feel a lot better. Once he got his blood, his levels came back to normal. His fever was gone. So I'm not going to give too much detail about, like, what was going on and things like that, but just throwing it out there, bringing awareness to the situation. Yeah, but we're here right now. I don't think it's most definitely not as bad as it was before. All his levels and things like that look good. We were just trying to make sure that he wasn't possibly having a pain crisis or something. You just couldn't tell or anything like that. But they've been giving him Tylenol and ibuprofen, and he's been seeming to do really well. I brought him into the ER today, and he had a 101 fever. Kids with sickle cell, or people with sickle cell in general, if you have a fever of 101 or higher, you have to come to the hospital because it's very easy for them to get infections and things like that. But he just hit an actual fever that we had to come in for. He was like straddling 99 and 100 for quite a while. So, but since we've been here, he seems fine. He's been playing, he's been eating, taking his usual naps. So, you know, we should be able to get discharged tomorrow, because if you have a fever, you have to wait at least 24 hours till it's gone. Well, until you haven't had one again. So, yeah, just a lot of different things, guys, that go along with this. Maybe I'll come on here and make a video about all the information that I know about sickle cell, just to bring awareness to it, or just say my experiences thus far with a 9-month-old. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that and just let you know what's been going on with me. Part of the reason why I haven't been posting, and also because of my general laziness. But I need to go because my nose is running and my throat is starting to itch. Alright, bye guys.
Tropicana, groovy punch sipping. Usually up, whipping for the stereo.